Hey everyone, welcome back. I know, generally I'm not a huge slow cooker fan. Usually I think anything I can make in a slow cooker, I can do it in a Dutch oven in the oven better. But this recipe seems to be very slow cooker friendly. So I thought I'd give it a try. And of course, give it a try means I sort of put my own spin on it and made changes and all the way through. So these are apparently called charro beans. I'm gonna give them a taste and see what I think. These are really good. Here's what I did. So I started out in a little frying pan and cooked up about a ½ pound of our homemade bacon. While the bacon was frying, I minced up a couple of onions. Now I've eaten this dozens of times, if not hundreds, all over Mexico, north to south, east to west, and every time I have it, it's completely different. Sometimes there's chorizo, sometimes there's even hot dogs. Different types of beans, different types of flavoring, always called charro beans, always fantastic. There is no wrong way to make this. And chopped up a few jalapeno peppers. I leave the seeds in the jalapenos. I kind of like that heat, I like that spice, and the heat isn't in the seeds anyway, it's actually in the ribs that hold the seeds, but you know, minor point. Once I had those things chopped up, the bacon was pretty much cooked the way I wanted it. Into the bottom of the slow cooker went the pinto beans, cumin, chipotle chili powder, the chopped up onions and jalapeno, chicken broth, and you know, instead of chicken broth, you could use beef broth. I think this would be fantastic with pork broth if you have it. And then I add in some water, but beer is fantastic here as well. And no, I don't soak my beans. I've done it both ways and I find absolutely no difference either way. Then I put the bacon in with a pretty good dollop of the bacon grease as well. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. Put the lid on and set that to run on low for about 7 hours. Once the 7 hours were up, I put in a can of tomatoes, chopped up tomatoes. And if you live in the United States, you'll use Rotel. Rotel isn't widely available where we are, but the company that makes Rotel sells this can of tomatoes with chilies. And I have to assume that it's, if not the same, really close. And if you can't get either of these, just chopped up tomatoes will be fine. Give it a stir, put the lid back on, and let it go for another hour. Now at this point you could put cilantro in. If you like cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, leave it out. I know people have really strong opinions about that. I do like cilantro. So I think by the time I go to serve this, I'll just sprinkle some on top. These are really great. I think this is better than chili. Dare I say it? Just full-on beans. Fantastic. Thanks for stopping by. Give this a try for yourself and hope to see you soon.